Hello friends, now sportsman is here. We're getting close to Christmas, not many working days for most people here. And now I'm going to show you three things here. I go into the boat, I put myself on the seat, and I show you what I'm going to do with the seat belt. So, how to do that. I sit here, and when the wave starts breaking, take it out. Make a little bowline on this one, or maybe a splice or something like that. And then I tighten it up. And I do a little knot here too. And then I sit even when the boat goes round and things like this. So I'm comfortable. I can sit here eating from my eating box, and I'm going to have a little window here and a little window there, and maybe a little window there too, and a little window here too. I can go forward. So, hello friends, this is Yrvind. So now here I'm drilling a hole. This hole is for the drainage, for this copper pipe, for the ventilation system. So spray will come in and it will drain. But as the drainage hole is below the water, only water can get out there, no air. So all the air who comes in for the ventilation comes into the cabin. So that's a good thing. Hello friends, this is the bumkin, and this is for the holding the oar. This is for the anchor roller. That's gonna be for the steering. And so it's many things goes into this thing, and it nearly fits. So I have to use some force to get it there, and I have to do 3 places to tie it into for lashings, but that I think will be okay. And then, well, that's a good thing. So now, and this is here, I can turn the boat upside down too. I can lift in it in the corners, and I can make a mold for the ballast keel, and I can do some laminations in the boat on the inside when it's upside down, like under here, and yeah, many things.